Right, today we're working in the bedroom area, or the main bedroom area above the cab. I wasn't going to bother videoing this, but it's as usual turned into a bigger job than I was expecting. This side I've stripped out a fair bit of it. I've taken the hardboard down and pulled all that out. I was hoping to just split this, cut it and pull it out, but apparently it's screwed from underneath there, so I'm gonna have to sort that out in a minute, see what I can find there. It's all leaking through the windows, so what I'm doing, I'm going to take all the windows out and then we're going to reseal them all and start from scratch, and same with the rest of the bedroom now. So right, so I'm going to go outside and see where it's fastened underneath now. Let's have a look, see what's going on there. Right, it looks like I've got to take all these screws out from around here and pull this aluminium beading off. It goes right round the cab. That's going to be fun. Right, so get all them screws out and see if I can find the screws. There must be screws that go after you pull it out. Yeah, there's holes there. They must go up into there, screwed. So right, I'll get started on that and get all that taken off now then. Right, before I take all them screws out, I'm going to have a go at getting this window out because it's a nice day, and see if I can get that resealed. Well, that came out way too easy, that did. It's just like if the silicon's like still soft. Must be like the wrong silicon, I think. It's just like, that's probably why it's never sealed. Oh well, I got some good stuff now to put on it, so get this all cleaned up. I'll have a go at putting it back in. I got all the aluminium trim off. It's all going to need cleaning up. I've also got these triangle bits off, so got to get them cleaned up as well. Right, got all the front down there. That's all the triangle bits worth taking out. Just seems loads of screws everywhere and nails. Right, I'd redo some of the roof. I dropped it back down and pulled this thick lagging out because it's too thick, and some of this wood, and put thinner stuff in and fastened it back up. Right, got the plywood all in, nice piece of marine ply all fastened in inside. Started rebuilding the inside there a bit. The windows are all in. I've sealed them as well as putting bolts in the corners. That's all sorted. I've got my lights to wire all up for the front. Right, let's get all this tidied up now. Well, I've got the aluminium cleaned up pretty well now. It's all the black and the aluminium tape's been taken off, so they look a bit cleaner. I've cleaned these up. I've re-stapled this on the top because that was all the staples were rotten. That's one of the original ones. This one had been remade at some time, but they'd made it too short, so I've put a piece of wood in here just to extend it, because I had to take all that off and then put all that back on. Fasten that to that, and that's the same size as the original one. So it was too short in the beginning, but that seems to be all working okay now. So now we're going to get these on the van. Got the triangle pieces all in now. They're all fastened up, both sides. Right, just got to get the aluminium beading on now. Got the aluminium stripping on now, that's all sorted. Right, go and finish off the inside now. Right, just putting some thin plywood around the edge now, around the walls. And putting a bit of the old insulation behind it as well. Just packing it all out. So, right, got to get this board up now. Right, get on with that. Right, got all the boards in, either side. I've laid some carpet tiles, make it nice for the mattress to fit on. I have got that front bit to finish off. But I think that's it for this video. Now I've got all that sorted. And I'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.